What is actually stopping you from losing weight or living a healthy lifestyle? Is it because you love swallow so much and you can't just do without it? Don't worry, I've also been there. I've also struggled to lose weight so many times. But today I found a healthier way to enjoy my swallow. So guys, let me show you how I make this healthy carrot fufu or carrot swallow. The first thing I did was to wash the carrots, scrape it, cut it into smaller pieces. Then now I'm going to blend it. Okay, just stay tuned. I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you see how I made it. Okay, I just went in with little water, then now I'm blending it. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, then subscribe, okay, so that and turn up your notification bell so that you keep seeing amazing recipes from this channel. Okay, I'm done blending. The next thing I'll do is just to remove some juice from the carrot blend. Can you see how smooth it is? This is how yours should also look. Okay, so my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for staying connected. May God continually bless you. So guys, I'm done sieving it. I will set the juice aside. Okay, you will be needing this for later use. Just stay connected, go nowhere, and don't skip this video. Okay, so now I will just put it in the pot, then I continue to stir. I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are, do not forget to like, comment, share this video to your family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so now to thicken this carrot, we need healthy thickener, and I'm going to be using oats for this. You can use any healthy thickener for this purpose. All right, so I just went in with just 2 spoons. If the quantity you are making is larger than this, you can add more oats to it or any other healthy thickener that you have. Right now I will continue stirring until it is well combined, just like as you are seeing right now. Remember I told you to keep the carrot juice aside or set the carrot juice aside today. So now is the time we'll be needing that. So you go in with the carrot juice instead of adding ordinary water. Depends on the quantity you are making. That will determine the amount of juice you are going to add. Okay, mine is not much. I will just add a little, give that a stir, then I will cover this pot, all right, to cook for some minutes. Please make sure you cook this on a low heat and check it at intervals. I didn't check my own at all. I just covered the pot and I went about doing another thing, only for me to come back and the pot got burnt. Thank God the swallow or the carrot swallow did not get burnt. After mixing it together, I will wrap it, then I will allow it to cool down for some minutes. Okay, this carrot swallow or carrot fufu is a very good healthy option for you if you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to stay fit, or live a healthy lifestyle, like you are trying to watch what goes into your mouth. This is a very good option for you. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying out this recipe. And the amazing part of it is that you can enjoy this carrot swallow or carrot fufu with any soup of your choice. If you have not liked this video, if you have not commented or shared this video, please do so. Let me know your thoughts about this swallow. Would you be trying it? Let me know in the comments. And if you have tried it, let me know how yours turned out. Okay,